In this segment of APA Insights, the focus will be on the use of numbers. The material covered is found in paragraphs 4.31 and 4.32, pages 111 through 113 in the Publication Manual of the American Psychological Association. The objectives for this segment are to review when to use numbers expressed in numerals and when to use numbers expressed in words, followed by an opportunity to apply the material that has been covered. In general, numbers are expressed as numerals when the number is 10 or higher, and words are used to express numbers below 10. Numerals are used in data tables or graphical displays in a paper, as is shown in this example. Numerals are used for numbers that describe a unit of measurement, whether they are above or below 10. For example, a 5 milligram dose of medicine, or a child that stands 4 feet tall. Numerals are used for numbers that show statistical functions, mathematical functions, fractions, decimals, percentages, ratios, percentiles, and quartiles. The example demonstrates a mathematical function, a decimal quantity, and a ratio. Numerals are used for numbers that show time, dates, ages, scores, and points on a scale. For example, the wait was 1 hour and 21 minutes, or the game was for 2-year-olds. Numerals are used to show a specific place in a numbered series, a part of a book or table, and for each number in a list of 4 or more numbers. Now let's review when words are used to express numbers. As a general rule, words are used for approximation of numbers of days, months, or years. The key word is approximations. Unless the sentence cannot be reworded, use words for any number that begin a sentence, title, or text heading. For example, 10%. In the second example, 8 riders, since it's the beginning of the sentence, but 11 as a numeral since it's in text. Use words to express numbers in common fractions, such as the goal was for 3/4 of the participants to pass their driving test on the first try. Or, Dr. Passmore will be disappointed if only 1/5 of the class passes the candidacy exam. Sometimes using words for a number is universally accepted language. Such examples include 12 apostles, 12 days of Christmas, 10 commandments, 5 pillars of Islam, 4 horsemen of the apocalypse. Seeing them in their numeral form actually makes them look not quite right. For your reference, all of these guidelines are covered in the APA Style Guide, 6th edition, paragraphs 4.31 and 4.32, pages 111 through 113. Now, a brief exercise will be distributed to check your understanding of the use of numbers.